Hello everyone, this is Shashank and now I'm going to show how to create a web page using the HTML tags. And this is my web page, and coming to my coding, this is my coding. Here HTML and head are the mandatory fields which must be given, and inside the head we can give our titles. That is I have given as WebTech First Lab. Here this is my title, WebTech First Lab, and coming to my heading, which is aligned at the center, is given by the align at center, and welcome is given as shown here. This is welcome, which is aligned at center. This is my heading, and next we can close off our head here, and opening the body we can give our background color, where the screen looks as here I have given as light green. This is my screen which looks as light green color, which is given by the bg color equal to light green. Next, coming to my subheadings, inside the body using the p which states as para, and it's given as the first para. As we can see here, first para is my subheading. Inside the para, inside the first para, I'm giving some text, some paragraphs text here. This shows my text. And coming to next, coming to my in my web page, I can give my internal links. That means our web page can go to the link, our web page can move to that link for our references. Here I have given an internal link and an external link using href, where my internal link goes to the google.com and external goes to the W3 schools. Here let me show it. Internal link is here, which goes, let me press over here. As my internal link went to the web page as Google, and my external link goes to the W3 schools. These are my internal and external tags here, and we can give away our email address also here for the references, email and phone number for our references, which is given here, and we can see like this here. Okay, our image also can be given using the href tag here, and the size of our image can be given as width I have given as 50 and height as 30. Here is my image showing a clickable image, which is where width equal to 50 and height equal to 30. Here ends my first para, and coming to my second para, here I have shown about the list, where my second para subtitle is given here, and let me show it. Second para, my subtitle is given here, and some information is given using the paragraph and p here. Div is used to divide the screen, divide it and shift it into the next line. Here after we must close it. After it, OL is given, which OL means as ordered list, where the list can be ordered as in numbers. Here we can see this is an ordered list 1 2. Inside my ordered list I have given as unordered list, which says insert my ordered list. I have given my unordered list. This is my ordered list first one, which says as bikes, and this is my unordered list which says the variety of bikes. I have closed this unordered list here, and in this way we can give for the many. I have made 3 lists using this unordered and ordered list. Next, coming into my third para, I have created some information using para here, and I have created a table. Let me show the table. This is my table here. This is my table. Okay. Here table border I have given it as 1, where this is my table border, I have given it as 1. And next, tr, which defines a row of cells in a table. And next, coming to the td defines a cell of a table that contains the data. As in the first row I have given this td, in the first row, first column, I have given this row 1 column 1 as the here I showed here. Row 1 column 1 is given here. Similar way we can give it, mentioning it. After creating a whole table, we can column span or row span, which is that column span and row span is used to merge the columns or rows of the table. Here I have given as row span that equal to 4, which merges the 4 rows here, that is 1 2 3 4 in column 4. Here 1 2 3 4 is merged in the column 4. Similar way I have given here the call span, and my table is created over here as seen here. This is my table created. Row span and column spans are given here. Okay, after this the table tag must be closed where I have opened it here. So the table tag is must be closed here, and where we have opened our body tag, it is mandatory close it here, and the HTML tag also must be closed here. This can be closed, and we must save this, and we can open it. We'll be getting this. Thank you for watching. Shashank.